Hey, today we're going to do a review on this light that I just got done setting up. This thing is absolutely awesome. I love the modern look of it. So I'm going to give you an up-close view as well as an unboxing of it. The company did take really good care as far as packaging goes, and I love the look of it. So we've been kind of renovating in our house, and I love the design of this. We're kind of go for the black and gold theme. So let's go ahead and give you an up-close view. Okay, so here's your final up-close view. Now, the light bulbs are not included. We put those in. And installation on this is super easy. I mean, it's 3 wires, black, white, and then your ground wire. And then what's nice is the black piece that's in there, you just unscrew that, and then these glass pieces fall out. And they're super easy to install. So all in all, I absolutely love it. I think this thing looks great. It adds a nice touch to our little mini bathroom down here. So let's go ahead and give you that unboxing because I already love it. Okay, so here's your up-close view. This was when we first unboxed this. It does give you electrical wire nuts, so that's nice, as well as mounting brackets already on there. Pretty easy to install. I mean, you have your black, white, and then your ground wire, and then these just unscrew. Pretty easy. And then you're gonna throw the glass piece there. Glass looks really nice. Again, super classy. I mean, I love the look of it. As you saw in the video previous, it looks absolutely awesome. Instruction manual there. So if you're looking for a good quality product, there you go.